Hello viewers, I am Vasim Razak from Italy. Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan's bail plea rejected. He will have to stay in quarantine for 3 to 5 days in Arthur jail. Friday, October 2021, a Mumbai court ordered the Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan will no longer be in NCB custody. His lawyer filed a bail plea which has been now rejected. Aryan Khan was sent to judicial custody by the magistrate court. He was arrested on Saturday, October 2, after NCB raided a Goa-based cruise. The stockades bail has been rejected today, October 8. Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan was arrested in an alleged drug case after Narcotics Control Bureau raided a cruise ship off the coast of Mumbai. He was kept in NCB custody till October 7, 2021, alongside two of the other accused, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Damesha. Soon after his NCB custody was over, Aryan Khan's lawyer applied for bail plea, which was heard. According to the sources, Aryan's bail plea has been rejected by the court. The hearing was heard on the same day on his mother's Gauri Khan's birthday, 8 October. A Mumbai court ordered that Aryans will no longer be in the custody of NCB and will be lodged in jail. I am of the view on the custodial interrogation is required as sufficient time is given. The judge had said Aryan will be kept in a quarantine cell of the Arthur Road jail. Though is the PTCR report is negative, as per new jail guideline, a new accused should be kept up in the quarantine cell for 3 to 5 days. We'll keep you informed with the updates of the story. Till then, take care.